Hi, so let's keep going with the global actions in the model. Let's talk about import data from Excel or updating or export data to Excel. To export to Excel, you can export the current page or export all, which is mean if you have multiple pages and a lot of data. And of course, you can custom export, which is mean you're gonna select the field you wanna export them. For our example, we're just gonna choose subject and type and then export. Here, as you can see, the file we have been exported. It contains only subject and type and some other system field. And the last option you have here is export all. So you can export all your pages and customize specific column if you want. For the import, you're gonna have to follow a simple steps. That's the line we will be uploading. So let's add this item we just saw inside the Excel file. Let's go to import new data and then upload the file. Send. So this is a list of the field they was exist in a file. So let's just assign them to the field in our model. So subject, going for subject, and then type. You don't have to worry about the system item ID right now. It's something we're gonna use for update later. So let's just press submit. Okay, so let's update the item we just added from the Excel. First, let's export it. We need only subject and type for this example. So this is the file. Just make sure to not change any of the column on name, because changing the column on name may lead to an error. And then for example, let's change new to edit, save. Let's go to update exist data, upload the file, and then send. The process done successfully, and the item has been updated.